I got Bitcoins, Bitcoin. I got Bitcoin. I spent 6,000 on a Bitcoin.
Here's a catch up of this week's news relating to Bitcoin. First of all, the Tether price, it did really drop off a cliff on the 15th of October and went down to 86.9 cents. Tether should be a stable coin and it should be $1 all of the time. So it really is a mystery why the price dropped, and it's causing a lot of FUD, fear, uncertainty and doubt regarding the USDT Tether stablecoin. The price has recovered slightly, but the market cap of Tether has remained low. So it does show that some people are moving away from USDT, and I think with good reason. Now Binance has been in the news regarding this Tether. There was reports that they were delisting Tether, but that turned out to be a rumor, and in fact the service interruption apparently was due to network congestion on USDT. So it is concerning. I would be concerned if I used any of these exchanges that use Tether instead of so-called proper fiat currency. And speaking of which, Coinbase veteran, one of the Coinbase veterans is changing sides in the so-called cryptocurrency wars. A prime architect of America's largest trading platform, Adam White, who helped to build Coinbase into a crypto colossus, is joining Bakkt. I did a previous video about Bakkt. You might want to check that out in the top right corner now. And apparently he's going to be helping Bakkt to launch. It's going to be for Wall Street's institutional investing titans to get involved into Bitcoin. This could mean a lot of money coming into Bitcoin, raising the Bitcoin price in the very near future. More on the price in just a moment. You also may have heard, I did a video about this as well, about India. Their national bank has been trying to ban cryptocurrencies in India, but thankfully an enterprising company there called UNOCoin has launched a network of Bitcoin ATMs which allow people to get around the law by depositing funds and then getting their Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies from this network of ATMs. So very good news there that it looks like Bitcoin is going to carry on in India, which has a huge population, as you know. So let's go on to the Bitcoin price now. Over on Coinbase, we've seen that after a period of sideways trading, there was a drop on the 10th of October. That was a drop of 5%, and then since the 10th to the 15th of October, it again traded sideways, and then there was a increase up of nearly 4%, and again we are trading sideways. So what will the Bitcoin price do next? Now I think it's possible that we could see a further drop down. Let's just draw in some support lines here. So at the moment, recently, we've been seeing resistance here at about 6,119, and we've been getting support down at 6,119, and we've been seeing resistance up at $6,506. We can see really that the support line has become a resistance line there, and the support line we're seeing at around about 6,119 is a historic support line that goes back quite a long way. I can see it certainly in June on the graph here, so that's quite a long-term support line. On the 1 year graph, we can see that after the big increase that we got in the run-up before January, what we're seeing now is a triangle pattern. So roughly I can draw out the triangle pattern. Now after a big increase in price, when you do see a triangle pattern like this, where the tops are descending and we've got a flat bottom, what is most likely is that we are going to see a bit of a drop soon after. But I don't think it's going to be a big drop at all. Let's move that up. So what we could see is a small drop soon, and then most likely I believe it will rebound upwards. So if we go to the all-time chart on Bitstamp and we draw in a trend line, what we can see is the price is approaching that trend line now. So let's zoom in on this section, and we can now see that if the price does drop after this triangle, it's not got far to drop until it touches this line, and this is a long-term support line. So in my opinion, it's unlikely that we'll see a break in that line. So during November, we shouldn't see the price go less than $5,639. So if I draw that on again, what we're going to see is something like this, in my opinion. Not exactly like that, but I do believe that we're going to get back up to the highs probably within, I don't know, probably by the first quarter of 2019, but it's obviously hard to predict exactly. And after that, who knows how high the price will go. We've seen this pattern repeat over and over again on the Bitcoin price. If you could scroll back, we can see a very similar thing happened in 2013, where the price rallied really high, then there was a correction pattern until it bottomed out, and then we saw 1 month with a green candle. So let's go back to where we are now. We just need to start seeing a green candle on the monthly chart, and then we'll know that it could be the start of a new bull run. So if you'd like to get involved with trading Bitcoin, definitely click the recommended links in the video description. I've got a link where you can get $10 free from Coinbase, no matter where you are in the world. And also another one, if you are outside the USA, then click my article on how to short the Bitcoin price. So potentially you can then make money if the price drops here. So do check out those links. Check out this video as well, that I'm sure you will love, and I appreciate the likes and subscribes. See you again soon. Bye for now.